This is just another quick demonstration video on how to set the automatic mode on the Accona panel here. So what we're going to do is press the rocker switch on the right hand side to get the unit turned on and press the standby button to get the lights illuminated on the display. So what we're currently in is in high, Windows opens active, and you've got the automatic mode set there. So you use the A button to cycle between manual and automatic. So if you will watch the previous video on how to set the time and day, you want to be in manual mode, and we've already got the display illuminated there with the correct time and date that we've programmed on a previous video, which is how to set the time and date. So what you want to do is press the MA button to get yourself to automatic. What we're going to do now is just press set, and that will get one of the days of the week's flashing. So it'll flash the current day of the week, and today's Monday. You just use the up arrows then to cycle through the current days of the week. Now what to do, if you press in set on Monday, which is the day of the week that we're going to set today, you'll be greeted by the 0000 number 1. So what's important to remember is that these are hour on, hour off, and this is your first segment timer. So it's not hours and minutes, it's hour on, hour off. And that's your first segment timer. So what we'll do is we'll just set one to be on all day. It might not be realistic for what you're using it for, but just for demonstrational purposes. On at 9, press set. Now on 24-hour clock, we'll say off at 8. So we've got on at 9, off at 8. So it looks like 20 past 9, but it's actually on at 9, off at 8. It'll jump you across to the second if you press set. You can just press OK on that first one if you're happy with it, but just to show that you have 4 separate segments. So if you did want to, for argument's sake, set between 10 and 11, you'd then use the up arrow to get to 10, and then the up arrow again to get to 11, and then you just press OK. Now I'll show you that that's set and it's all stayed in there in the memory. So you press the set button on Monday again, you've got your 9, your 20 to indicate 8 o'clock, and again you've got 22, 23 to indicate on at 11, on at 10, sorry, off at 11.